Laiannuo scissor-style metal band saw machines are designed to cut through various types of metals. It is constructed with high-quality materials and are engineered to provide precise cuts, while reducing vibration and noise, making ideal for industrial and metalworking applications. Laiannuo P128S model max cutting 280*400 mm, the work control by hydraulic system. Machine control by buttons on panel. The Povit metal band saw machines are equipped with different features and capabilities, such as adjustable blade speed, angle cutting, and automatic shut-off systems, among others. These features enhance their efficiency and make them safe to operate. Overall, Povit metal band saw machines offer reliable and efficient cutting solutions for a wide Welcome. Contact us.